Hello again, guys. Justin here again from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to open up this car a little bit today and show you guys the car with the hood up and the doors open and in the trunk as well. I really do like how clean this car is and how well it shows. I love to see the headers in there just look fantastic. The blue wires match the car. It's just all comes together for a great visual. The other thing I wanted to say, I took pictures of the Valentine and the billet gas tank cover, gas lid cover. This also has a factory cover as well, which is super cool. I don't think it was used a bunch. It's still in its original bag, but it's in here and blue as well, so super cool. In the trunk area, it recesses back into these holes, and it's certainly big enough for a set of golf clubs. No matter how long yours are, you could maybe even get two of them in. So that's fun. And yeah, I'm gonna do a quick cold start for you guys as well, since it's been sitting out. Both keys, both remotes for this car. There's no leaking in this car. There's no seeping out of any of the seals. It doesn't smoke or cause any noxious fumes. It just runs just like you'd want it to. And a lot of fun when you're driving it, that's for sure. All right, guys, thanks a bunch. Let me know if you need more.